Union Minister for Development of North-Eastern Region and Communication Jyotiraditya Scindia arrived in Sikkim capital of Gangtok last evening for a two-day visit. The minister was warmly welcomed at Bagdogra Airport in West Bengal before proceeding to Gangtok by road. As per his itinerary, Scindia is scheduled to meet with Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang today at Samman Bhawan in Gangtok. The meeting will focus on discussing the key development issues and initiatives for the state, aiming to foster progress and address the regional needs. Scindia is also scheduled to attend the review meeting of the state-level Empowered Committee later today. BJP Sikkim State President D.R. Thapa attended a dinner hosted by Union Minister for Development of North-Eastern Region Jyotiraditya Scindia last evening. The dinner brought together eminent personalities from Sikkim like boxing coach Sandhya Gurung, footballer Nirmal Chhetri, President of Sikkim Hotel and Restaurant Association Sardar Sharma, radio jockey Priyanka Tamang, among others. During the engagement, Thapa brought forward several pressing issues affecting Sikkim's growth, like the deplorable condition of National Highway 10, which is the state's primary connectivity artery. He urged for immediate action to improve the road, which has been severely damaged by flooding last year. Furthermore, the BJP state president highlighted the vast potential of Sikkim's tourism sector, which serves as the primary source of employment generation for the state. He requested the union minister to explore new avenues for developing tourism in the state, taking advantage of Sikkim's unique cultural heritage and natural beauty. Scindia also solicited feedback from other esteemed guests, seeking insights to unlock Sikkim's development potential. BJP Sikkim State President D.R. Thapa attended a dinner hosted by Union Minister for Development of North-Eastern Region Jyotiraditya Scindia last evening. The dinner brought together eminent personalities from Sikkim like boxing coach Sandhya Gurung, footballer Nirmala Chhetri, President of Sikkim Hotel and Restaurant Association Sardar Sharma, radio jockey Priyanka Tamang, among others. Joining me over the phone line is our correspondent Prakash Adhikari all the way from Gangtok. Well, Prakash, it's a big story coming in from the Himalayan state, wherein Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia is in Gangtok. And can you tell us his itinerary and what are the big takes on his agenda?
कल शाम को गंगटोक पहुंचे थे और अभी उनका मुख्यमंत्री के साथ एक रहा है भवन में। सम्मान भवन का खत्म होने के बाद वो कॉन्फ्रेंस करेंगे रखे। तो इस मीटिंग में क्या डिस्कस होगा उनके जगह के लिए, विशेष करके जो NH10 का इश्यू है, फ्लड का इश्यू है, ग्लोव का इश्यू है, सभी विषय पर चर्चा होने की संभावना है। और इस मीटिंग में इस सभी विषय पर डिस्कशन होने के बाद उनका एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस भी है।